Cumapol stands for Custom-Made Polyesters. At Cumapol, we fabricate food-safe raw materials for the food packaging industry through the extrusion and solid-state polymerization of flakes from post-consumer bottles. This video shows how we can guarantee the safety of the consumer and at the same time help save the environment by converting post-consumer waste into valuable raw material. Our raw material comes from carefully selected producers who wash and shred used PET bottles into clean flakes. The flakes are blown into a raw material silo before being transported to the production line in the main building. Before the flakes can be extruded, excessive moisture from the washing process needs to be removed in a dryer. Dried flakes collect at the bottom of the dryer and are transported to the extrusion step. The dried flakes are fed into the extruder by a weight-controlled dosing system. Depending on the intended application, additives and colorants can be included to enhance the properties of the polymer. The different dosing system gives us the ability to produce custom-made polyesters. The extruder is designed to process flakes and to treat the flakes as gently as possible to prevent damaging the polymer. In the extruder, the flakes are heated to their melting point. During this process, volatile elements are removed by a vacuum. Although the flakes are washed at high temperatures by our suppliers, the level of solid contaminants, like sand and aluminium cans, is still too high to make a good quality bottle again. These contaminants are eliminated by pressing the polymer melt through a very fine filter to remove all visual solid contaminants. The polymer melt is homogenized during transport. It is pressed through a die plate that has a row of holes. Then, the resulting molten polymer strands are cooled with water sprays in a water slide. At this point in the process, the first visual inspection can be done. The polymer strands are cut into small granules, and moisture from the water slide is removed. The granules are then fed through a screen, where granules that are either too large or too small are separated from the main stream. The extruded granules are analyzed offline before they are transported to the next step of the process for solid-state polymerization. Before the solid-state polymerization process can take place, the granules need to be crystallized. Hot nitrogen is blown through the granules to heat them and keep them in motion to prevent sticking. Due to the fact that the polymer chains of the PET are becoming shorter with each melting step, the PET loses its strength. In our SSP, we can build up the polymer again to its original strength, or if required for the application, even stronger than virgin PET. The SSP process is also a significant cleaning step due to the high nitrogen flow and long residence time. The granules are washed and all contaminants are removed. PET bottles are sometimes used by the consumers to store all kinds of household liquids like cleaning products, white spirit, gasoline, etc. Our SSP process is proven to be the most efficient cleaning process in the industry. Cumapol has done a study which proves that even if 100% of the bottles were used for non-food products, the cleaning process is so thorough that the end product would still be completely free of any contaminants and safe for the production of food packaging materials. This study was shared with the experts of the European Food Safety Authority, and they have judged our process as being able to guarantee 100% food safety. Our process is also audited by the Dutch Food Safety Authority. At the bottom of the SSP reactor, the granules are cooled down to room temperature, and again, oversized particles and dust are removed by sieving the material. After the SSP process, the PET is ready, but extensive quality control will be done before the material is blown into the end product silo, to be sure that all contamination is removed. These methods, together with all process parameters, guarantee the high quality and purity necessary to protect the consumer's health. The product is stored in silos before it is collected by either silo trucks or bulk containers. To prevent any danger of contamination during transport, the large plastic bag lining the container is closed carefully and the container is sealed. This guarantees our product will be delivered safely to our customers, where the material can be processed into new PET bottles.